my name is Vita.
And my name is Olga. And today we'll be talking about investigation of the sliding frictional force.
For this investigation we need
blocks of different weight,
dynamometer,
and the abrasive paper.
Okay, let's start.
So we're interested how the frictional force depends on the type of the surface. We need one block. Here we can see that the frictional force is 0.5 newtons. But let's try it on the abrasive paper. We can see that the frictional force is about 1.2 newtons. So, as the conclusion, the frictional force
Okay, we're interested how the frictional force depends on the weight of the object. Okay, for this experiment we need two blocks with different weights. First of all, we use the block with greater weight, and we see that it is 0.5 newtons. Then we use the block with smaller weight, and we see that it is 0.2 newtons. In conclusion, I can say that the greater is the mass, as the greater is the frictional force.
But now we're interested in how the frictional force depends on the area of contacting surfaces. We use the same block. Here we can see that the force is 0.5 newton, as the last time. But now we change the surface and see that the force is the same again, 0.5 newton. So as the conclusion, the frictional force doesn't depend on the type of the area of contacting surfaces.
Okay, what is more, the sliding frictional force of the force of rolling friction?
So we use the first block to know the sliding force, and it is near 0.2 newtons. Now we will use the second block to know the rolling force. It is so small that it is just near the point of 0. And the conclusion is
The greater the frictional
force
is greater than the rolling friction.